There is a very, very big issue in this country. It's at all levels with parents and children, and that's the parental rights issue. The issue now is whether or not parents have any control over their children, especially in the public schools. A major issue now is with the Merck Corporation, which is this huge pharmaceutical giant. They have lobbied legislatures, state legislatures, to have girls essentially forcibly vaccinated, young girls, with a drug called Gardasil, which supposedly does away with or cures cervical cancer. There are various experts that say there are tremendous side effects with the drug, from dizziness to loss of eyesight. Some girls have actually lost consciousness, supposedly, from taking Gardasil. But you have two state legislatures now that have approved the drug, forced mandatory taking of this drug or vaccination. This is in Texas. Governor Rick Perry basically has approved it, and now the state of Virginia is moving in that direction, and 16 other states. The issue, though, the underlying issue is whether the drug's safe or not. That's a medical issue, and that should be studied carefully. And the Food and Drug Administration should be slapped across the hand by Congress for allowing drugs to move forward, because these pharmaceutical giants do their own testing. So that's sort of letting the fox in the hen house kind of procedure. But the real issue, underlying issue, is parental rights. And what I mean by that is that how they get around parents knowing about this sometimes, unless it hits the news, is what we call passive consent. They say, well, parents can get out of this program if they somehow object or write a letter or sign a form. That should not be the rule. The rule should be that parents should have to opt in. In other words, if they want their child to be in the program, they should affirmably say, I want them to be. In other words, not let the child's automatically vaccinated now unless the parent objects. The second important thing is there are a lot of religious folks out there that disagree with vaccinations. There should surely be religious exemptions for those kind of people. But we have to go back to the underlying issue, which of course is always parental rights. And in this country, parental rights in the public schools and with children has been under attack for many, many years now. And it's just getting worse. And we see it with the controversial Teen Screen program, where children are asked all kinds of invasive questions and parents don't even know about it. So school officials need to let parents know what's going on. And our state government should not be forcing children to be vaccinated unless parents agree with it and opt in to allow the child to do it. Otherwise, we're going to lose any connection with the family, and we're destroying the most sacred institution we have in this country.